again for Toluca. No way! Tornado emergency, guys! Tornado emergency. For Knox, guys. If you are in Knox, get down now. This is not a drill. No, you have to take this very seriously. This is the highest weather. This is the highest level of weather alert you can possibly get. If you are anywhere near Knox, get to a safe spot now. Do not walk. Run. Run. This may cost you a huge part of your life. And you don't want it to cost you your life. If you have a basement, get in a basement, storm shelter, underground, anywhere. Get down now. This thing is coming straight for you. This is a huge deal, guys. Tornado, alright, issue 1 minute ago. Weather spotters confirmed tornado observed. Alright, tornado emergency for city of Knox, Central Stark County. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Knox, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Tornado emergency from city of Knox. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. I'm not just saying it. The National Weather Service is saying it. Take cover at all costs. This is going to happen now. This isn't in a 10-minute thing. This is a few minute thing. The tornado will be near Knox at 8:40. It is 8:39, guys. If you or anybody you know is in Knox, get in a safe spot now. This is not just me saying this. This is so you can protect your life and maybe some of your other family members' life, your friend's life, whoever is with you, if you have people with you. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself, especially your head, from flying debris, guys. This is not a joke. Deadly tornado. They have labeled this deadly. If the professionals have labeled this deadly, this is not good. And I may sound a little harsh, but this is a huge deal. Oh, I hope the people of Knox are okay, bro. Look, what about the velocity on this thing? Whoo! Okay. Yeah, guys. If you know anybody, and yeah, that's all debris in the air. That's crazy. Yeah, seriously. This is not to be taken lightly. This could cost you your life. And I'm not twisting my words to make it sound better, to make you feel better. No. I'm being straightforward with you. This may cost you your life. Another PDS tornado warning. Yes. These are not light warnings. These are way worse than a regular tornado warning. Yeah, even a tornado warning shouldn't be taken lightly, let alone a tornado emergency. This is your life sitting at the hands of how fast you can get to your shelter. And again, from my description, we have lowest floor of a sturdy building. Basements are best. Most interior room of a building. Avoid windows, doors, and get as far away from the outside walls as possible. And, let's see. What else? A low-lying ditch. If you are in a car, a trailer, And you can't get anywhere else, try and find a low-lying ditch, something that will get you, like, away. Like, not a valley, a ditch. If it's one of those things for floodwaters, hop in. It doesn't matter if you get dirty. It's either you could, like, get seriously injured or die, or you get a bit dirty. Don't stay in your car. Your seatbelt and airbags are not going to help you. The tornado can just lift up the car. Cars have been thrown miles before. This is not some sort of... This is not for the weak.